So, all the student of class 3, did you open your copy? So, today read the first math, means C number math. Ramu brought 4 packets of biscuits. Each packet has 4 biscuits. How many biscuits did Ramu buy? So, C number math. Write down on your copy. Ramu bought 4 packets of biscuit. How many packets of biscuit? 4 packets of biscuit. And each packet means in one packet there are how many biscuits? 4 biscuits. Now they are asking that in total that how many biscuits did Ramu buy? So as we all know that whenever in maths they will ask us to find out the price or value or anything more than one, that time we have to be do multiplication, isn't it? Whenever we want to take out anything that's more than one, that time we have to be do multiplication. So what the statement we have to be write? We have to be write down that number of packets, packets, number of packets 4. Okay, now number of packets who is Aritra Pramanik? Continuously call. Okay, now each packet has 4 biscuits. Okay, so 4 packets have equal to 4 into 4 equal to 16 biscuits. Okay, now what the answer? That how many biscuits did Ramu buy? So Ramu bought, B-O-U-G-I-S-T, bought 16 biscuits. Okay, now D number math. There are 12 desks in a classroom. Means you can say that there are 12 benches, or you can think. Desk means where usually you keep your school bag. Okay, each desk has 4 legs. Okay, what is the total number of legs of the desk? So it is also the same. See, they told you that how many legs one desk has. So now you have to be find out that 12 desks has how many legs. So this is the another way of writing the story math of multiplication. This one also you can follow, that 1 DESK, 1 desk has equal to 4 legs. Okay, so 12 desks have equal to 12 into 4. So how we have to be multiplied? 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Legs. Okay? So the final answer is, what is the total number of legs of the decks? So we can write 48 is the total number of legs of the twelve decks. Okay? Shatik Mukherjee, mute your audio. Sheikh Taufik also. Swagatam Rai, mute your audio. Shatik Mukherjee, mute your audio. So, is it clear for everybody? Okay, now tell me, do you have any problem regarding these two maths? Regarding these two maths, do you have any problem? Student, tell me first. Then I will move for the next math. So everybody done the first math? Then I will rub the first math. Number C number math. I will rub. Okay. Now is there anybody who didn't complete the first math, C number story math? Take a screenshot, okay, if you didn't complete it. Now E number math. Shabiha brought home 3 bunches of brought home. So Shabiha brought home 3 bunches of flower. Okay, how many bunches of flower? 3 bunches of flower. Each bunch has how many flowers? 4 flowers. Okay, then how many flowers are there in all they are asking? So tell me the first statement. Now tell me that how you want to do the statement. In this way or this way? C or D? In which way you want to do the story math? Say me, student. In the C way? Snehanjana has told C. Swagatam D. Shubhosri C. Shauri, Taufik, Shatik. Everybody say fast. Shostab also. There are so many. Sheikh Wahid Ishash, Shohana Khandatkar, Srijita Mitra, Sucheta Singh. Tell in this way. C, D in this way. My God. Nobody having the same answer. Means somebody wants to do something in a... Okay. Listen, number D is little bit easy. E number. So, how many branches of flowers she bought? She bought 3. And each flower bunch having 4 flowers. So, you can write like that one bunch has equal to 4 flower, flowers, flowers. Okay, now Shahiba brought 3 bunches of flower, so 3 bunches, 3 bunches have what? 3 into 4 equal to 12 flowers. Okay, then what will be the answer? That how many flowers were there were? So there were 12 flowers in all. Okay, okay. Now F number, one rail coach has 8 wheels. How many wheels in all in 6 coaches? Do you know, students, coaches means what? Coaches means one compartment. You see another, one box, it's look like, all the compartment look like a box, isn't it? One box is joined with another box like in this way, isn't it? Have you seen the rail? How the train, how they are connecting with each other? In this way, each compartment is, joined. So one compartment has how many wheels? 8 wheels. Now they are asking that 6 coaches will be how many? Okay. So you can write down that one rail coach has 8 wheels. Okay, so 6 coaches have 6 into 8. How much? 6 into 8? 48. Very good. Wheels. Okay. That so now see, so here they are asking that how many wheels in all in 6 coaches. So this much you can do for this math, or in the answer you can write down there are 48 wheels in all in 6 coaches. Okay. So up to this much today we will do. We just completed our sports story math. Okay. So on the next day we will do the book work. Because once again the next day we having the book work lots of. Okay.